Hello everybody, welcome to D&JAdventuresOK. As you can see, I'm not in Oklahoma right now. We made a trip to Arizona and we are between Phoenix and Payson right now. A bit of FPV flying through the saguaro cactuses. I think that's going to turn out really nice. You can see it's pretty darn dry here. It's an austere landscape. It's been almost 30 years since we lived here, and so we just decided to kind of come back for a reunion tour to familiarize ourselves and revisit some old friends and old places. When I lived here in the early 90s, there was no such thing as a drone, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to bring the FPV and bring the camera drone. But I'll have more footage for you, and I think it's going to turn out to be some very nice flying weather and flying locations. Thanks for tuning in.